Hello everyone, welcome to another video of 4Byte Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how you can automate the procedure for sending WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp Bulk Messenger is a tool made on Google Sheets which you can start using without any experience. Simply copy your contact list, that is names and phone numbers. Create a template according to your needs. Add an attachment, whether it be photo, video, PDF or any other file, and simply click on Send Now in the 4Bytes menu. You can also schedule the messages for a specific date. Let's see this in action. Here you can see in the sheet I have pasted some names and numbers along with some other variable data. I will go to Settings and simply select the template and add the attachment. The attachment needs to be the Google Drive file and it should have sharing to public access. I have set up a template. Now I will go to the data sheet and go to 4Byte menu. Here I will select Send WhatsApp. Now you will see the send status column will turn to S with a green. Here this means that the message has been sent. You can go to Sent Report and check how many messages have been sent. The count shows 6. This means all 6 messages were sent successfully. You can see these messages have been sent successfully and you can check your WhatsApp for the sent message also. Here you can see that these 6 contacts have received this message with video as an attachment. In case you find the contact data to be very large in your case, you can go to 4Byte menu and click on Turn on Auto Send. This will enable the sheet to send messages periodically. This will be completely automated process and you do not need to keep the sheet open. You can simply close your sheet, log out and close your system. You do not even need an internet connection for its automatic operation. If you want more such solutions, contact us using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.